everyone, welcome back to the final video in our capital market theory series. In this session, we'll talk about something very practical and essential for investors, the mechanism of the Indonesian capital market. How the transaction work, who is involved, and what happens behind the scene when you buy or sell a stock. Let's dive in. Overview of the capital market mechanism. The capital market is a financial system where business and government raise long-term funds from the public. In Indonesia, companies now issue over securities such as stock or bonds to investors. Investors, in turn, invest their money with the expectation of gaining returns through dividends, interest, or capital gains. All of these transactions take place under the supervision of the Indonesian Stock Exchange, which provides the platform for electronic trading. The market operates in two stages. First, in the primary market, where new securities are issued and sold directly to investors during what is commonly known as an IPO, initial or public offering. This is the moment a company first offers its share to the public. After that, the securities move to the secondary market, where they are traded among investors. In this stage, investors buy and sell to one another, and the company that issued the share no longer receives the fund directly. Key participants in the market. The mechanism of the capital market involves multiple key players, each performing a specific role to ensure smooth and safe transaction. First, issuers are the company that offers securities to raise capital. Second, investors are individual or institutions who buy their securities for investment purpose. Third, securities companies or brokerage firms act as intermediaries. They connect buyers and sellers and execute their order. Next, the IDX, Indonesian Stock Exchange, provide the platform and system for trading. Next, Indonesian Clearing and Guarantee Corporation is responsible for clearing transactions and guaranteeing that they will be settled properly. And last, Indonesian Central Securities Depository handle the safekeeping and transfer of securities in digital form. These entities work together to create a reliable structure that allows investors to trade with confidence. Transaction process and settlement. When investors want to buy or sell a security, they place an order through a brokerage firm. The order then enters the Jakarta Automated Trading System, a fully digital system managed by the IDX. If there is a matching order from another investor on the opposite side of the trade, the transaction is immediately executed. After the transaction is confirmed, the process continues to the settlement phase. In Indonesia, settlement typically follows the T+2 rule, which means the trade is finalized 2 working days after the transaction. During this time, KPI ensures that the transaction is legitimate and complete, while KSC transfers the securities to the buyer and the payment to the seller. The system ensures both accuracy and trust in the transaction process. And last, trading session and order types. The Indonesia Stock Exchange operates into daily trading session, a morning session, and afternoon session. During these times, investors can place various types of trading orders depending on their investment strategies. A limit order allows investors to specify the price at which they want to buy or sell a stock. A market order executes the trade at the best available price. More advanced investors may also use stop orders, which are triggered only when the stock reaches a certain price level. This order type provides flexibility and control in managing investment risks and opportunity. Understanding the mechanism of Indonesian capital market helps investors make better decisions and navigate the system more effectively. With the involvement of trust institution, a digital trading platform, and a structured settlement process, the capital market in Indonesia offers a secure and transparent environment of investing. Whether you're new to investing or looking to deepen your knowledge, knowing how the system works is the first step toward becoming a smart and strategic investor. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.